Imagine every time you post a new video on your channel, your audience could boost its discovery on YouTube. Well, that's exactly what the new hype feature is all about. Today, I'm going to show you 5 proven tactics to get more hype on your videos, so your channel gets discovered faster. Hey, it's Herman from Drost Video, where I help you grow your audience and income on YouTube. If you're a small creator, you already know how tough it is to get noticed. But here's the truth, just because the feature exists, it doesn't mean that people will automatically use it. You've got to encourage and guide your viewers, and that's what we're covering today. Directly ask for hype in your videos. One of the simplest and most effective ways is just to ask. Right now, most viewers don't know much about the new feature called hype because it's brand new. So when you mention it in your video, you're planting the seed. For example, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit the hype button. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people like you. That tiny ask can dramatically increase your hype rate. But asking isn't enough if you want your viewers to take action. You've got to also make it visual. Use on-screen prompts and graphics. Viewers are constantly bombarded with options. If they only hear hype this video, they might miss it. Add a small animated pop-up or highlighted text using bold colors, saying something like, tap hype now. Visual prompts grab attention and reinforce viewers to take action in that crucial moment. Let's move on to your community. Promote hype in community posts and shorts. Hype isn't just for long-form content. You can promote it across your community tab as well as in your shorts. Imagine a quick 15-second short. Want to help small creators win on YouTube? Smash that hype button. It makes a bigger difference than you think. By spreading your message across multiple formats, you're training your audience that hype equals support. If you want to get more views, reach a wider audience without coming up with new content, try Nexus Clips. It turns long-form videos into shorts in seconds. It automatically finds your most engaging moments, adds captions, and formats your video for shorts. Some of my shorts attract more views and subscribers than my long-form videos. Uploading shorts to your channel is a highly effective way to reach an audience that doesn't normally watch your long-form videos. You can turn one long-form video into multiple shorts to expand your reach. For example, the top YouTuber, Mr. Beast, with over 376 million subscribers, gets millions of views on his shorts. More content with less effort. If you're serious about growing on YouTube long-term and not just chasing one viral hit, try Nexus Clips and let your content work harder for you. Link is in the description. Use coupon code HERMAN to get 10% off. Now that you've got their attention visually, make it even easier for them to hype your video. Pin a comment that mentions hype. Pinned comments are prime real estate. When they scroll down, they immediately see the first comment. Use that location to say something like, if this video helped you, don't forget to hype it, so YouTube will share it with new audiences. When you do this, even if someone skips the call to action in your video, they'll see the reminder. Now here's where you can take things from good to great by making hype a game. Turn hype into a challenge or reward system. People love gamification. You can say something like, if we hit 50 hypes on this video, I'll release a step-by-step breakdown of how I edit my videos, only for the community here. This not only motivates your audience, but makes them feel that they're part of your growth journey. So there you have it, 5 proven tactics. Ask directly, add visuals, pin a comment, promote across formats, and gamify the experience. If you use even one of these strategies, you'll start to see your hype numbers climb. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever encouraged your audience to hype your videos? And what worked best for you? Drop your answer in the comments. I reply to everyone. Now, if you want to go even deeper into this feature, check out my next video on how YouTube hype boosts views for small channels. You'll be glad you did.